All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for having me. So ISA disciplinary committee has really lift the axe and the hammer, and it fell on the back of Jamaica College. A brutal one, really brutal one. Anyways, really and truly, I am not sure if this is point deduction. I'm not sure much how does this affect the JC team based on the quality that they have. No, it does spark concern going further with the use of players that they will get. So that's also a different talking point. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into the discussion, tell you guys what happened. I'm gonna read the article, and I'm also going to give you guys more details surrounding the matter and how it played out. So before I do that, people, please do smash that like button. If you're here for the first time, you can join the family by hitting the subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything at all. You don't want to miss anything. You don't want to miss anything. As you guys know, I do live match day updates every day, do live stream every night on Schoolboy Football, match reaction, preview show, review show. You get it all here on MG Sports TV, and you also get highlights. You get highlights, people. Yes, match highlights. All your favorite team, you'll be able to see them and do your own analysis of how they play and how they look in your perspective. Now, I have a wealth of knowledge on Schoolboy Football. So, luckily, solely because I go around meeting all the schools and that. No, it's a good amount of knowledge. I'm not the most knowledgeable person, but I do think it's a fair amount of knowledge, and I do love to share the knowledge that I have on all the teams and players that I have seen and players that I can remember, because there's a lot of them. Now, let's get straight into the meat of the matter. Let's first touch on the article. As you can see here, the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association Disciplinary Committee recently met and investigated a matter regarding the alleged use of an ineligible player in the Manning Cup season opener by Jamaica College against Tivoli Garden High. The disciplinary committee found that Jamaica College used an ineligible player in the said game and has ruled that 1. Jamaica College will lose all 3 points gained in that match, and Tivoli Garden High will be awarded the points with a score of 3-0. So TG beat JC 3-0. So JC won't be able to say then go JC is unbeaten. Yeah, technically. For the game that played on Saturday, September the 9th, 2023. 2. The player remains ineligible to participate in the 2023 schoolboy football competition. 3. Jamaica College will be placed on 3 years of probation starting September 21st, which is yesterday. I think all of this concluded on yesterday. So, what does that mean? First of all, let's understand the aspect of being on probation. You know, most of you, when I joined the army, I was on 6 months probation for my first 6 months in the army after the graduation. And the reason for that is they want to assess your discipline, assess how you conduct yourself, and any little matter pop up, bam, and clamp down on you. So that's the same situation now with Jamaica College. They're going to be placed on a 3-year probation, and any issue that popped up during that time period, Jamaica College will feel the full blow or the full strength of the ISA disciplinary committee. And that's how it is. So let's start now, like discussing the situation surrounding the ineligible player and what happened. So as you guys know, in the first match of the season, people, Jamaica College played against Tivoli Garden, basically, as I said, season opener. JC played against Tivoli Garden, and they used a particular player coming from Dintil Technical. He was the goalkeeper for Jamaica College. I don't know. I really don't know if JC know. I don't know if the player knew, because really, the player want to play football. The young youth want to play football. He nearly them the technical things there, I don't feel business. Him see JC like him, end up at JC, I play football. The technical aspect of it now has nothing to do with the player. That's the first thing. The technical aspect of it has nothing to do with the player. Nothing at all. Because it's like this, right? It's like you bring in a student into your school and you know the school that is coming from, you know him background, and if you know him not a subject but you still pass, then not really that, and not even that. The technical aspect of those, the bringing in players and getting the player to play, that has nothing much to do with the player. The player just want to play football and come at JC to play some football. The technical aspect of it has to deal with, did the player play for a particular school? Which school is he coming from? Is that school also participating in the schoolboy football, the 2023 schoolboy football season? And these are the aspects of it. These are the big aspects of it. So all of those things has nothing to do with the player. Because the player say, here we go, I play for Dintil. But what is the situation? Can I play for JC? And if JC say, yeah, come play for us, and no, they are in that water, that has nothing to do with the player. Nothing at all to do with the player. So that is the situation. Tough cookie. really tough cookie. So JC have now been fully hit with the Issa shot, with the Issa what? Belt. JC have gotten there fully hit with the Issa belt. And from when I hear like a long time, you know, the JC had dance run the rules, and it seems like say Issa just a wait for a time to catch them, and officially they have caught them. That's how it seems. And that's what I hear. I mean, I tell her it's not my opinion. It's what I was told. You know what? We shouldn't. You know what? Like on my opinion, leave it alone. So that is the situation at hand. Now the big question is, what next for JC? Will we still see JC doing this huge amount of recruitment? What about the quota? What about the quota rule? All of these rules. Will we still see JC doing all of those stuff? And now, with them now being on probation, this might make it a little more complicated for Jamaica College. Remember that last season, the team that they had last year, the team that they're looking at right now is almost a completely new team. Almost a completely new team. Maybe about 3 or 4 players from the last year team would remain in this team. So the big question is, where are those players? Where the players that are playing right now? Where are they coming from? But what I know is that a lot of these players were quite a few of them were sitting out, and some of them did not play last year, so they are eligible to play. So that's an answer. So even Lynch, did Lynch play last year? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. But that's how it is, people. That is how it is. It's a part of the sport, I guess. But it's a finally standing their ground and said, hey, no more. We've seen too much of it, and it needs to be fixed. So they're coming down on the use of players who have been playing for this school and that school and then still turn up and school breaking the quota system. It seems like that's one of the issue. JC did, like the quota, like they break the quota system. Or, the sense as the player played last year and they're just making this moving go straight to play next team. So there's a lot of complications in this, and all in all, it's not really a good look, and I do think that this kind of put a bad stint or bad look on JC. It really put a bad look on JC, because them can't say, well, first I've heard about them coming public like this, so I can't say, boy, it happened before I this or that, but definitely that would have made things look a bit more shaky now. And now the question is, are there other schools who are actually doing the same thing? That's now the question. And what are the heights, and what are the line these schools are willing to toe for the whole basis of gaining that schoolboy football success, lifting that trophy, that valuable trophy in their eyes. Anyways, that's the situation. Tough cookie. That's how it is sometimes. When they break the law, they face the law. That's how you go. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Tell us anything in the comment section. MG Sports TV, and I am out. Boom.